Namaskar everyone, I am Desai from your Global Kids. Welcome you to our maths class. First of all, we do the prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Om. Rub your palm, kids. Put on your eyes and open your eyes slowly. Namaskar everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Now today we are going to start our new topic of subtraction. What we are going to learn today? Subtraction. Okay, so let's see what we learned in the last video, kids. Learn subtraction. What we learned in the last video? Subtraction. Subtraction के बारे में मैंने आप सबको बताया था कि what is the subtraction? Okay, the sign of subtraction is, subtraction की sign क्या है? Minus. This is the sign of subtraction. What is the sign of subtraction? Minus. What we have to do in the subtraction? Take away. What we have to do in the subtraction? Take away means हमें कोई भी चीज है उसमें से जितनी बताई गई है वो चीज को टेक अवे कर देना है. ठीक है, वी हैव टू टेक अवे फ्रॉम दी समवन एल्स. जैसे कि यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 स्टिक है. इफ आई टेक अवे 4 stick, how many stick is remaining? 1. So here is the 1 stick is remaining. So this is take away. Take away मतलब कट कर देना या तो फिर ले लेना. It's a take away, right? Then after, when we going to do take away or when we do subtraction, we get more things. Yes or no? No, we get less things or small numbers. जो हम अगर सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं तो हमें लेस थिंग्स, अगर थिंग्स काउंट करने जाएंगे तो लेस थिंग्स मिलेगी और नंबर कैसा मिलेगा? स्मॉल मिलेगा. नंबर कैसा मिलेगा? स्मॉल. हमारा जो आंसर होगा वो हमारे क्वेश्चन से के नंबर से स्मॉल होगा, राइट? तो इन दिस सब्ट्रैक्शन, व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन? माइनस. अगर कहीं पे आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है तो आप साइन का यूज करोगे, है ना? यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्ट ऐसे नहीं लिखा हुआ होगा. हियर वी हैव टू कीप द साइन. सब्ट्रैक्शन की साइन, दिस इज द साइन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन, माइनस. देन आफ्टर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन द सब्ट्रैक्शन? टेक अवे. सब्ट्रैक्शन में हम क्या करेंगे? टेक अवे. एंड when we take away from someone, it's get less things and we get less things or small number. Now let's do the activity which we did in the last video. Okay kids, here is how many marker? Yes, we have 2 markers. If I take one marker, if I take away one marker, then how many marker is remaining? Yes, there is only one marker is remaining. Okay kids, then after I put the 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 strip here. Okay, I am going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 strip. And if I take away 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many strip is remaining? How many strips are remaining here? Yes, there are only 2 strips. Means now we can compare this. If we take away, we get less things and less number because we have 7 strip और हमने 5 टेक अवे कर ली तो हमारे पास सिर्फ कितनी बची 2. मीन्स जब भी हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे तो हमें less things मिलेगी. Right, see kids? Now let's see what we have to do today's classwork. Okay kids, today we are going to learn picture subtraction. Today we are going to learn picture subtraction. Here is the pictures are drawn here and we have to take away from these pictures. Numbers यहाँ पे दिए हैं, जितने pictures दिए हैं वो भी दिया है और जितने subtract करने हैं, take away करने हैं वो भी आपको दिया है. Okay, so here is the pictures. How many honeybees are here? 6 honeybees. There are 6 honeybees in this, and this is the sign of subtraction. This is the sign of subtraction. Means what we have to do here? Take away. क्या करना है हमें? Take away, because this is the sign of subtraction, and we have to take away from this 6 honeybees. How many we have to take away? 2. कितनी take away करनी है हमें? 2. Here we have to take away 2 honeybees. So हम take away कहाँ से करेंगे? We always take away the things from the last, है ना? यहाँ से नहीं करेंगे. हम जो take away करेंगे वो last से take away करेंगे. So here we have to take away 2 honeybees. So we have to put the cut. Means on this 2 honeybee, last 2 honeybee, we take away 2 honeybee. Now let's count how many honeybees are remaining. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our answer will be 4. So our answer will be 4. Then after we can see the suns. We can see the suns. Okay. So how many suns are here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many suns are here? 5. Which sign is this? Take away. Take away. Subtraction sign. How many we have to take away? 2. So here from the last we do take away from these 5 suns. So how many remaining? Kids, let us count. 1, 2 and 3. So here we have to write remaining answer, remaining things. 3. Now this is the flower. This is the flowers. How many flowers are here? 1, 2. How many flowers are here? 1, 2. 2. And how many we have to take away? We have to take away 2 flowers. Means 1 and 2 flowers if we are going to take away. So how many remaining? No, there is no flowers here. 0. It means if we subtract same number we get 0. यहाँ पे ये हम बोल सकते हैं कि अगर हम सेम नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, है ना, सेम नंबर टेक अवे करेंगे तो आंसर क्या मिलेगा? 0. 2 फ्लावर्स थे, 2 हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिए तो कितने मिले? 0. Then after this is the bunch of cherry. This is the bunch of cherry. हम इनको इंडिविजुअली काउंट नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम पूरा बंच काउंट कर रहे हैं. तो so let us count how many bunch of cherries are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a 4 bunch of cherries here. 4 pair of cherries here. How many subtract we have? How many take away? 1. So we take away from the last and 1 we are going to take away from the last. Let's see how many remaining. 1, 2 and 3. This is the remaining bunch of cherries. 3. Okay kids. So this is your worksheet page number 23. Okay, this is your worksheet, page number 23. Sorry kids, here your page number 25 in the worksheet. Okay, your classwork is page number 25, not 23. Sorry, by mistake मैंने wrong page number लिख दिए थे. This is your page number 25 in your worksheet. Now let's move to the homework. Our homework is page number 26. Our homework is the next page. Okay, after 25 which number will come? Yes, 26. Let's solve this. Okay, now what we have to do here? Yes, we are going to do subtraction. Here is the number, pictures, how many pictures we have and how many we have to take away. Yes, कितने पिक्चर्स हमारे पास है और हमें कितने टेक अवे करने हैं ये यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. So how many flowers are here? 6 flowers are here. How many we have to take away? 3, and we take away from the last. 1, 2, 3. Then how many flowers are remaining? Let us count. 1, 2 and 3. So here we have to write answer number 3. Okay. Then after there are the roses. There are roses here. Let us count how many roses are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many roses are there? There are 10 roses. There are 10 roses. And how many we have to take away? How many we have to subtract? Because this is the sign of subtract. अगर यहाँ पे प्लस की साइन होती तो हमें क्या करना होता है? ऐड करना होता है. तो यहाँ पे 10 के अंदर हम 5 ऐड करेंगे. बट दिस इज द साइन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. दिस इज द साइन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट? 5. कहाँ से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? कहाँ से टेक अवे करेंगे? फ्रॉम दी लास्ट. सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers are take away. So how many remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we have to write the number 5. Okay kids. Then after there are smileys. They are children. So they are children. Okay. And they are smiling. So let's count how many smiley children are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many children are here? 8 smiling children are here. Let us take away. कितने take away करने हैं? 3. So here from the last we are taking away. जो smile कर रहे थे ना वो बच्चे को मैम ने अपने पास बुलाया है ना. तो अब कितने बच्चे रह गए? How many remaining? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here 5 is remaining. Then after, what are these? These are honeybees. These are honeybees. Let us count how many honeybees are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sorry, one honeybees. Kids, there are 6 honeybees are. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. How many we have to take away? 5. We have to take away 5 honeybees. Let us take away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 honeybees we are going to take away. And how many remaining? 1. How many remaining only? 1 honeybee is remaining here. So kids, this is your today's homework. This is your today's homework. So kids, this is your today's class work. Page number 25 in your worksheet. And this is your homework. This is your homework. I hope you understand all this. Okay, let's see in our worksheet. Our first of all I told you our today's classwork and homework. Our topic is subtraction. Our classwork and homework is page number 25 in the worksheet. This is our classwork. And our homework is page number 26 in the worksheet. This is our homework. Kids, this is your worksheet. What we have to learn in the worksheet? Yes, subtraction. Okay. This is your work classwork page number 25. Right? You have to do here. Okay. And this is your homework page number 26. And in these we have to write, if there is a homework, you have to write homework and date, and if it is a classwork, you have to write classwork and date. Okay kids, I hope you understand this very well. Thank you everyone.